P0599 fault code is caused by failure of the heater in the thermostat housing. It can be easily repaired by replacing the thermostat housing. Here's how. It's located at the front left of the engine, near the exhaust manifold. Remove the induction pipe and you will see it. Here's the basic tools you will need. Pliers, sockets, small screwdriver and a few spanners. Firstly, drain the coolant into a suitable container. The drain is at the bottom left of the radiator seen here. Unclip the wiring harness, and release the hose clip to this position, to release the hose. Remove the star drive fasteners. You can use a 8mm. This one is easier to remove with a spanner. The housing will now pull away from the engine. Then there's just a small hose to disconnect below that, will become visible. Here's the old and new part. Now give the mounting face a good clean, then replace new part. Don't forget to fit the lower hose before you do. Slide the clip back onto the hose before refitting. It will then snap in place like so, when pushed back on. Then refill the coolant. I love using this purge tool. It vacuums the coolant system, totally eliminating airlocks. Then clear the fault code, road test, and check for leaks. Here's some more useful Corsa videos. Let me know how you got on, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.